Morning, everyone. All Pro Exterior Services here again with another little. Well, we got a full day schedule. So anyway, on this job, we got this little back patio from the house to the drain. That's all we're doing. We're going to soft wash it. I'm actually going to downstream it, and we're going to do all the siding, the upper siding, and the facials of this house and that shed right here. So, and let me show you guys. Beautiful Saturday here. It's about 8:30. 8:39, 70 degrees, and then you can see the siding here. So that's what we're gonna catch. And yeah, so we're just moving some furniture now. I'm gonna pull some hose, get tanked up, and get the water flowing. We are gonna downstream with the 9-gallon a minute. We're gonna try it out today, see how it works. So I'll catch up with you in a second. Right, guys, set up today. Got the water pumping, so we're starting to carry a little bit more water because that 9-gallon a minute just sucks a lot of water. So what we're gonna be doing today is downstreaming straight SH. We got 28 gallons, and again we're just doing all the siding up top, the dormer windows, and let me show you over here. You see, and then you see the algae. Not a big deal. We're not doing a brick. Tony's on property protection, so he's gonna make sure everything's ready to roll, and then we're gonna hit the shed real quick. So I'm excited to try this new machine out. And you know, lights like this that has bulbs in it, we really don't properly protect that. But if there's any, let me show you, if there's anything exposed, like they have these things that you can screw into the socket and turns it into a plug like this here. This is an accident waiting to happen. I don't know if you can see that. It's got a plug, so you got an extension cord. Yeah, so Tony, what you do is unplug that extension cord. Just well, that's probably gonna deflate his deal, but that's okay. Anyway, so yeah, we're on game. I'm pulling some hose now. We're gonna go ahead and start on this side and get it done. All right, guys, catch up with you in a minute. Peace. Keep warming up. Got a nice water flow here. Probably getting about 6 gallons a minute, 7 gallons a minute out the faucet, so we're good. So I got the M5 twist. I'm gonna go ahead and got my downstream box on. Yep. So we're gonna get rolling. I'm gonna grab that David shooter tip just in case while I'm in the back. I always like to carry that in my pocket because there's some things that, you know, you get a wasp nest or something. Just keep that in your pocket handy, ready to roll. Actually, I need to get me like a little belt. That'd be cool. Look like a painter up in here. So let's see. And this is going to be a good test since property protection over here. All right, guys. First time downstreaming with the Beast, the 9-gallon a minute. So we're going to see what kind of soap we get here. They make a loud noise, man. Sucking some soap. So let's see here. Should get soap here in a minute. There we go. Oh yeah, look at this thing, man. This thing's a monster. Look at that, already hit it. Smell that money, smell that money. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get this shot down. I'm gonna hit this side real quick. I love that flow sensitive unloader too, man. I think that's a game changer. And I love, you know, you don't have that high pressure stuff. Let me hit the back of this real quick. Man, this thing's spitting out some stuff. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and hit the rinse on this real quick in a little bit. And catch up with you. Peace. Let's open the side of the house. We did the back already. This thing's a monster, man. I'll tell you. It truly is a monster. And that extra pressure I get from it, it's not pressure. It's actually more volume. It helps get down the dirt divers and wasp nests and all the other good stuff. So this thing is a beast. So, I mean, this thing's spraying out some juice. Like that flow, baby. That's what we work for, man. Get it all done quick, more efficient, in and out. That's what it's about. You can hit this thing, man. You can hit 3-4 stores with this thing. And I'm hitting the windows too. They nasty. You know, it's throwing a bone for the customer, you know what I mean? Nice ticket for a little upper house wash. And then I got this generator he wants me to spray. You gotta be careful with this. In fact, I may just hit that with some water. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do when I rinse. Alright guys, we got the grass cutters here and they're messing up my style. I'm gonna hit this real quick. See, we taped those cameras up, bagged them up, hit that window real quick, and then hit this side real quick. Yeah, man, this thing's a beast. Spits out some volume. And I could use a little bit higher concentrate of bleach, but it's working pretty good. It's not bad. So anyway, I'm gonna get this soaked and we'll be wrapping up here shortly. Catch up with you. Peace. I'll say the shooter tip in effect. Oh yeah, look at that coming off. Clean. Yeah, the thing, man, spitting out some water. We're loving it. We're almost done here. Shit. Been here a little bit over an hour, maybe right at an hour. But yeah, it's good. Alright guys, we're gonna wrap up and hit to the next job here in a minute. So we'll keep up. Alright, peace. This is just a gutter job, a gutter cleaning, no brightening. The house looks clean. Got Anthony getting the stuff ready. So we're gonna really see what's the damage in the gutters. This was an easy job. So we shouldn't be here too long. It's kind of a steep roof. Even the pitch here is kind of steep, so you can't walk it. So we'll probably have to pull out the big ladder. That red fiberglass ladder, which by the way, I'm getting rid of that, and I'm going to get me an aluminum ladder because it's about 20 pounds lighter. That thing's a pain to just carry around. So we're just trying to get a visual of actually what we got to deal with. So other job went well. Customer was super happy, ready for a review, and got our safety cones out. And again, we're not using anything but the blower and ladders. So we'll get back with you in a minute. Wrapping up this gutter job in about 30 minutes, and yeah, it's going well. What we do with gutters, we blow them out, and we always run water down the downspouts just to make sure they're all clear. And I'm glad we did, because they had a few leaves stuck at the bottom or in the middle somewhere, and it got them all out, and we blow everything off into the yard. So we'll bring our own hose, which by the way, I'm gonna swap this hose that I've been having for years with a Flexzilla because it's easier to manage. So yeah, so we're about to wrap up here. We're gonna go with the next job. Catch up with you soon. Job number 2 done. Third job of the day. Got some vinyl. Should be an easy one. Gonna do the vinyl. Hit these concrete slabs. Got a little slab here. Got all that vinyl. Hit the shed here. Fence is nasty too, but I'm not working on a fence. I'm just gonna spray this down. Spray it back down. I'm gonna clean up them gutters right away. It shouldn't take much. Get Tony up there with a blower. He can walk that roof pretty quick. And we're gonna catch this back pad back here. So we're gonna go ahead and hit out all. So, and I got a little bit over here. So anyway, we're gonna use the 8 gallon a minute or 9 gallon a minute, the beast, and be very efficient, because that thing is just shooting some water. And we're carrying a little more water, like I said before, because when we get to a job, I can't wait for water. So we're carrying a little bit more than I want to. So, but yeah, Tony's on property protection. Let me pour some hoses. Catch back with you soon. So FYI, I'm almost halfway done, but you notice here we got a window open. So she's not home yet. She's on her way home. But I'm gonna go ahead and soap what I can, because I don't want to be here too much longer than I have to. All right, I'm gonna hit soap on. Okay, soap's on. Put a fan tip on it. That 9 gallon a minute seems to cut on and off the soap a lot quicker than the 4. So, but it's working pretty good. So, okay, we got soap. Man, you can just soap this on a quick. So I come up to about right here. Make sure that window's good. Smell that fresh bleach. We gotta go get some more. But yeah, this thing's a beast, man. And like I said, that extra volume helps get the dirt off too. So we'll go ahead and spray this right away while I'm right here. Then rinse both these sides. So yeah, it's coming out nice. He's selling a house, so this won't be a repeat, but it's alright. We're getting it where we can. Looks nice. Sorry about that, got sidetracked. Picked up 2 more jobs. So business is booming. Can't complain. Things throwing out some bleach. Yeah, baby. We'll get this done on a quick. Maybe an hour, maybe. Got to get all that green stuff off. And all you need to do is get a good coat on it, you know, let it work. Alright guys, let me finish this up and then we got to do a little bit of surface cleaning on that back thing, so on that patio. Alright, peace. We're done, been here about an hour. Went ahead and washed it right away. Surface cleaned the back patio, the front patio, and the little side section. Got it all done. It's the 3rd job for today. We're trying to go knock out, we got a bunch more in the books. Let me show you this side. We're blessed, man. We picked up 4 jobs already. Oxidation on the shutters, I explained that. She didn't want to pay for the extra service to get it off, so I told her what to do if she wants to do it, but she'll probably call me back. Alright guys, we got the rig all wrapped up. Still got some good amount of water for the next job so we can start going. And yeah, the 9 gallon's working great. And of course I gotta get me a little Gatorade or something. Here we go. The orange one. Alright. Well, alright guys. Catch up with you on the next job. Alright guys, 4th property today. It's gonna be the last one. We got cameras we're knocking out. We're gonna do the driveway, the walkway, the front area, all the facials, and the back is vinyl, so we're gonna spray that as well. And in the back by the pool, a little decking. So we're gonna go ahead and knock all that out. Been rolling today. It's 3 o'clock. Beautiful weather. You can see we got stained fencing here, so you got to be cognizant of that as well. So we're going to wet that down pretty good and not leave a lot of bleach on it. So pulling hoses now, tanks filling, ready to roll. All right, guys, catch up with you soon. Peace. We're going to be using both machines today, so we're filling up with water. Anthony's going to do the driveway with the 8, and I'm going to use the 4 to catch the house. So let's go ahead and crank this bad boy up. I'm going to have throttle. Close my ball valve. Alright guys, we're gonna get set up. Catch up with you. We got Anthony on the front hitting the surface cleaner. I'm just here using this 4 gallon. I'll tell you what a difference in flow. Jeez and Pete's. This is like a Home Depot unit now. I don't know. But anyway, I'm washing the side. I'm gonna hit the back real quick. Getting these fascias. Looking good. Wash the windows real well. Anyway guys, we're gonna try to wrap up because it's getting daylight. We got that daylight savings time tomorrow, so need to rinse this stuff. Alright guys, catch up with you in a minute. Peace. Alright everyone, we wrapped up for today. The customers came out, so I couldn't get no more footage. We got the trailer backed in the driveway. We're about to go take a shower, get something to eat, get some good sleep. We got some time change coming, so it's going to benefit us to do some more work later. So I'm excited about that. We got a few jobs on the schedule tomorrow. We got a roof job, a house wash, well, roof house, and a house and driveway, and then another house. But I'm trying to. But by the way, today we picked up 5 leads and 3 confirmed jobs, 2 being roofs. So you out there on the weekend cranking those engines, man. That's what it's about. I like going out in front of a customer on the weekend cranking these up because everybody comes out and looks to see what's going on. Then they want their house done. So little free nugget Saturday. All right, guys and girls. Appreciate the likes, comments, calls, subs. Keep them coming. Peace.